In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an image in Adobe Express. We'll take a static photo and give it motion in a clean, controlled way that looks professional and is easy to repeat. Start by opening Adobe Express and loading the project where you want the animation to live, or create a new design if you're starting fresh. It helps to think about where the final piece will appear: social post, presentation, or banner, so your canvas size matches your destination from the beginning. Next, click the image you want to animate to select it. You should see handles or a highlight around the photo when it's active. With the image selected, open the animation panel from the left side or the top toolbar, depending on your layout. If your goal is to animate everything in the design at once, like building an intro or outro, use Animate All. Just keep in mind that this affects every layer, so it's best when you want a unified motion. Now choose the animation type. You'll see three main categories: in, looping, and out. In controls how the image appears, such as a soft fade or a zoom from outside the canvas. Looping keeps your photo in constant motion. Think bounce, wobble, or a gentle drift that runs while the design is on screen. Out defines how the image leaves, whether it fades away or slides off the page. You can use just one, or combine in and out, to create a smooth entrance and exit. Once you've picked a style, fine-tune it. Adjust visibility to set how opaque the image feels during the motion. Use Move to choose direction, and Scale to add a subtle size change. Intensity controls how strong the effect is, while speed determines how fast it plays. Personality changes the character of the motion, more bouncy for playful designs, or softer for polished and calm. For in animations, check. Start outside page if you want the image to fly in from off-screen. For out animations, end outside page lets it finish off-screen for a clean exit. Preview your work with the play button in the editor. Watch the start, the middle, and the end, and tweak until the timing and energy feel right. Subtlety goes a long way, especially with looping effects. When you're happy, click Download. Because it's animated, Adobe Express will export as a video file, typically MP4, to preserve the motion. If you need a GIF, you can convert the MP4 to GIF afterward using your preferred converter. And that's it. You've animated an image in Adobe Express with control and confidence,